The utility sector hitting a new 52-week high. It's also posted gains in the last 7 months in a row. The chartmaster says its run is far from over. Carter, you always come with some staggering stats on Utes that I think not many people are aware of.
Well, let's get right to it. I just thought we'd do a follow-up from exactly a week ago at this time when the sector was discussed, but let's do it for individual stocks. First, the sector, you can see it there, 31 stocks, 1.3 trillion. That equals one Broadcom, and a small weight in the S&P at 2.5%. Let's look at two relative performance charts. They're identical. And so this is XLU divided by SPY, which is how you get a relative performance or relative strength line. You can see those converging trend lines. We're at the lower band, and we've bounced here every single time to the penny. Next chart has an up arrow. Same chart. I think we will bounce yet again. Now let's look at three individual names. The charts are identical because it's not about what they do. It's that this is a good technical setup for AEP. Look at the second of three. It's the same setup and the same chart for NiSource. Again, a different business altogether. Well-defined uptrends, good pauses, and now just breaking out. And Evergy. EVRG. So XLU, if you want to play the group, or these three individuals are favorites.
Tammy, you've long been a fan of utilities, and you're in your own holdings that are not, I believe, what Carter's pointing out. But do any of these look interesting to you?
Well, and a big fan of Carter's utility stats and charts and goodies. No, I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan because of the thematic elements of what's going on in the sector. I'm a big fan based upon the margin profile of a lot of these companies. We know what's going on with demand. We know what's going on where they will actually be defensive in a lower rate environment. There's a lot of reasons to own utilities here, both technically, as Carter pointed out, but fundamentally. So, yes, I stay long Constellation, long NextEra. I think there's other ways to play it, but XLU is great.
Yeah, NiSource, I think the chart looks better than AEP. Only because AEP has outperformed NiSource on a year-to-date. But if you look back, let's throw in one of the outperformers, which has been Vistra. That one has been literally on fire. But I agree with Carter. There's an underappreciated asset with electricity and utilities in each and every one of our states.